Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about some questions based on probability distribution of random variable. Okay, so let me write down the question number 1 first, then we will discuss it. Okay, so students, here is the question which states that let x denote the number of hours you study during a randomly selected school day. Okay, and the probability that x can take the values this x has the following form where k is some unknown constant. Okay, and we need to find out the value of k, and the b part is we need to find out what is the probability that you study at least for 2 hours and exactly for 2 hours. Okay, so let me draw the probability distribution table first. This is showing the value x and this is probability. So the probability that you study for 0 hour is 0.1, 1 hour is k, for 1 it is x equal to 1 or 2, and for 2 is it is 2k. Okay, and for 3 now we are in this 5 minus 3 is 2k again, and for 4 it is again k. So as we know student, the total probability is always 1, so that I can write this as I is equals to 1 to n, probability of I is equals to 1, and in this case 0.1 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus k. So I am adding all the probabilities and this should be equals to 1. So this is 6k is equals to 0.9 because 0.1 minus 0.1 is 0.9, and from here k is coming around 0.15. Okay, so the value of k is 0.15. So the first part is solved. Okay, and the next part b. So in the B first part, what is the probability that you study at least for 2 hours? At least for 2 hours mean it should be 0, 1 or 2. Summation of at least for 2 hours means it should be either 3 or either 4 hours. So we will add the probability of 3 plus probability of 4 hours studying. Okay, and this is 2k plus k, and plus it should be probability of 2 also. If you study for 2 hours it is at least 2 hours, so it is 2k more. So we are getting 5k as total probability, and putting the value of k in it we are getting 0.75. So the probability of study at least 2 hours is 0.75. So B second part is exactly 2 hours. B second part exactly 2 hours. Okay. So if we see this exactly 2 hours is probability of x equal to 2 means 2k where k is 0.15. So what we are getting is 0.30, and this is the probability of studying exactly 2 hours. Okay students, so now I hope that you are pretty clear about how to solve the questions based on probability distribution of a random variable. Okay, and in the next lecture student we will discuss about the last topic like binomial distribution or binomial Bernoulli trials. Okay, so stay tuned for that lecture, students. Thank you. Happy learning.